Hi, how to create a blog in Builderall. So this is going to be a Builderall Blog Cheetah tutorial. So first we're going to start creating a new website. We go here to the Cheetah Builder. We click on create new site here and we enter a new name, for example, my website, a description, my website description, and we're gonna use blank template for this one. So here we have our website with just a home page, and we need to go to blog. We click on blog, and here we have all the blogs that we have created. Right now we only have one here, so we create new blog. We just type a name, for example, my blog, a description, my blog description, and we can change the thumbnail. So we can choose this one, for example. I'm going to choose this one, select, OK. So we have here the new blog. We click on edit blog, and here we can change a lot of things. So we are going to categories first, and we click on new category. We're going to create, for example, digital marketing, and okay, this one is saved. We click again, we create a new one, and for example, affiliates. We click save. So here we have our two categories. Now we go to authors. We click new author, and here we put the name, for example, Nebular Web or Alan Lewis, for example. Alan. Here we can paste our links for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, whatever. And here we can change our picture for this author. So I'm going to use this one. And we click save. Okay, we have the author here. Now we go to posts. And notice that we can also create post templates. So we can create a structure for posts and we can reuse it for any other posts that we are going to create. Now we click new post, and here we can write whatever we want, the text, the content. We're going to write like just test content, test content, some copy paste here just for the test content. Here we have all the tools to change the fonts and so on for the content. We can even create links like this. We select something and enter the link, click save. Okay, we can add a picture, an image here like this, for example. Let's use this one. I'm gonna put it down like this a little bit, just like that. Here we enter the title, for example, my post 1. Then we can change the thumbnail for this blog post. Let's choose this, for example. Now we go to categories and we select, for example, digital marketing and others. We select my name. Okay, and we click save and go to post list. Okay, now we're gonna create a new post, a second post. So title, we say post 2, for example. We change the thumbnail to, like in this case, I'm gonna choose this one. Categories, I'm gonna choose affiliates and others. My name again, and we create content like this, for example. Let me copy and paste a little more, like a new paragraph now. Okay, and we save. Go to posts. Now we have 2 posts here, but right now the posts are not showing anywhere because the website is not connected to the posts or the blog itself. So we need to go down here and connect to our website. But first we need to go to the website itself and make sure we publish it. So we hit publish and OK. Now we have to go back to the blog itself and we connect it. We can use a template for our pages showing the blog in the website, but we're going to use a blank template too. So we select it and click select, and now we have it connected here. So now we have to go to our website. We go here, we refresh, and here we have our blog pages. One is for the feed, you see it here, and one is for showing each post when you click on the post itself here in the feed. So first we're going to edit the feed page, and here, as any other web page in Cheetah, it's created using panels, these sections, horizontal sections. So we have a panel here with the text inside. I'm going to double click this and just type, for example, my blog title. Good. Title there. We can make it bigger, like here. Heading 1. Okay. The panel itself, we make it a little shorter. We are going to add another panel, a blank panel, and we're going to delete this one. We're going to make it longer so that we can add the feed itself. So we click here, we go to elements, blog, feed news. Here we have different options that we can use. I found this one is the best for me, the one that I see most convenient in general. So I'm going to make the panel a little bit longer for the element, the feed element to fit better. So we have the feed element here. We're going to make the element a little bit smaller here so that we can use here this space for adding a text element here, and we add a title, for example, H3. We double click on it now, and we're going to write categories here, just like that. We're going to center it, just a little smaller now, and we center it a little bit here, for example, just to the right of the feed itself. And now here under it, we're going to add an element for the categories list, like this. And now we have it here. This is the element that will refresh and add any other categories that we will use for the future, for example. So they will be showing here. Now we can go here, select the feed element and just the settings. We have 3 columns right now, but we only have 2 posts. So let's change it to 2. Now we have 2 and perfect. So we click save. That's fine. And now we have this page ready, so we close it. And now we're going to edit the page for showing each post, this one. So this is the page that will show the post that we clicked on the feed page. We're going to type title here, like for example, Builderall Web Blog. We make the panel itself a little smaller. We add another panel for the post itself. So we come here and add an element. We have it here in this section. We drag it. We have to make the panel longer. Just like that is enough. And we center it. We can center it this way, just dragging, or we can center it clicking and clicking on center element. And now it's centered horizontally. We're going to get rid of this text element. We don't need it here. And I need to drag it a little bit up right there and center it horizontally. So we have the post itself, but when the people is looking at the post and then they want to get back, they want to go back to the feed itself, we need a link for that. So we're going to add a link. A link, it's just a text or a button or whatever. So we're going to add a button here, like this. A button. Or we can put it here better. We change the headline and we say okay, go back, and we click on the link. The link itself, page. Which page? I think it's this one. And we choose this one, opening the same tab. We click select. Okay, we have the button ready. So we save the page. That's fine. And now I'm going to go back to the feed page and add a search bar. I'm going to pull this down a little bit like this, and this, just like this. Okay, now I'm going to add an element, and it's here in blog list. No, sorry, in blog general, and we have the search bar here. So a little bit lower like this. Okay, we save the page again. That's fine. And we have the pages ready for this example. Remember that you can make the pages look however you like. So you can change the design completely like any other web page in Cheetah. Let's go back and see how it looks like right now. We have feed ready and post ready. We're going to visit this page. We have our posts. And as expected, if we click on affiliates category, we will only get the post with that category here, affiliates, and digital marketing. And we only get the posts with digital marketing category. We have the search bar, we have the title. We can add any other element, so we can make the design whatever we want, as I said before. Now we click here, read more, and it opens the other page that is showing the post itself. And we have the go back button, we have the content, the image, the title, the author name. So we click go back and it goes to the feed. So it's working perfect. We just need to change the homepage now of the website to just show something about the blog itself. So we're going to edit this page. This page is also blank because we chose blank template when we created the website itself. And here we are going to add a panel first. Okay, we have a panel. We don't need this element. Okay, we're going to add, for example, a menu. Just imagine we have a page with a website with different pages, like this. We make this panel a little bit smaller. We come here and make it smaller, like this. Or we can drag here, okay, just like that. These links here in the menu can be modified, of course, to show the actual pages that we have in our website. But we're going to focus on adding a new panel and adding the post element itself. Okay, so we're going to add blog general and this element. So here we have different posts. We make the panel a little bit longer for it to fit. And we can also change the background here, for example, not the border, but the background settings, just to make it white or whatever color we want, like black, for example. And we're going to add another panel because this is the homepage of our website. It's not only the blog page itself. So we'll come here to panels. In this case, I'm going to add a first fold panel. We have a lot of different pre-made panels in this website builder, Cheetah website builder. So let's take this one, for example, just as an example, this one. Now we see that it's below the blog posts, but we make it. We want to put it on top of the blog thing itself. For example, we can come here to order panels. We just drag it on top. We click move, and now we see that it's on top of the blog posts. So we click save. Okay, that's fine. And now we're going to see how it looks like. We come here, we go to the website page. This is the live website already. So we see everything that we did. We see the posts here. And when I click on the post, it goes to the post page. We see the button to go back to the feed. So maybe we should change the text here and say go back to the feed or go to the feed. Everything is working perfectly as expected. We have the blog ready. And by the way, if you don't have a Builderall account yet, you will have down here in the description and in the comments a link to create your trial, your 14-day trial account with no credit card required. No credit card information required. So give it a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this one, and more tutorials and more step-by-step guides. See you in the next video. Bye bye.